Good morning! It is about 5:45 in the morning on a Saturday morning, and you might see behind me, there are cyclists. It is another day of Audax. It has been a while since I've done an Audax, so I am excited. And this one, I'm so excited. It's one of Andy Collis's ones, so if you are in Audax UK, you know how good his routes are. I'm always just like, oh my god, his routes are amazing. This one is called Mont Ventoux, and it is going to go up Great Dunfell. If you've never heard of Great Dunfell, I'd never heard of it until this Audax. It's basically like a Pyrenean style climb in the UK. It's about 7k, averaging like 9%. I think the maximum is like 20%. It's insane. I was like, how did I not know about this? So I'm going to take you along. You're going to be able to see it. I've got the GoPro on the front so you can see it as I'm riding it. So excited. Love Audax. We are about 80k into the ride, and I'm just going to stop now. I'm going to have some beans on toast. I'm going to treat myself because I'm not sure how good the food or what I'm going to be able to get later on. So get some proper food in me, and then we'll head on up Great Dunfell. It's been lovely. Like, the weather is amazing. It is dry. It is sunny, and loads of good riders as always.
No, they're all good. Go across the other side of the wall if you want. Emergency poo kit.
I've even got a wet wipe.
That's what they are. It's an emergency poop kit.
Don't take a picture of a man when he's down. At least let me breathe in. Tell me
Okay, ready. No, I was just saying we've come up and I'm like, I think I might need the toilet soon. And I'm just like, oh, I've got an emergency poo kit, so always handy. But look where we are. I'm in the car. I was just saying, like, I feel like
I told you at the beginning that I have a fragile stomach at the start of rides, so that's something that you've got to have.
You gotta have it. You gotta have it. But just having a little sit down actually.
I wasn't expecting that.
What? We've done like probably 115k? 115, 120k in about, what, coming up to 2,000 metres? It's been a tough ride.
120k.
Yeah.
5.5 hours of ride time.
Ride time is no use to us. We're all dancers.
No, it's this Garmin, it's not mine, so...
Oh, I can tell you how long we've been riding.
I don't even know what the time is.
Oh, yeah.
Hello.
Hi, Sue.
Hi there.
Hiya. Hiya. Hi. So yeah, 120k, almost 2,000 metres. I'll lay down, but
I think we might have actually done more than 2,000 metres.
I think it's just coming up to it.
Oh, is
Kept an eye, yeah. So now we're going on to Great Dunfell. I think it's, what is it, about 160k to there?
I've got good legs.
I've got good legs. Look how
I've got good
tanned they
legs,
are. Really good legs. Woo woo! And tanned.
And tanned. It's like, yeah, the tan stops there though. It's
18.6 average.
It's like the tan stops on the
yeah,
on
exactly.
the arms as well.
I don't get a very good tan though. Right, so we're going to head off. Oh, my tummy. So we've done about 150k and about, how many metres have we done? About 2,000. So we're literally like halfway, and we're just about to go up the big climb of the day. And Andy, the organiser, he's actually just sat at the top waiting for us all, just to like sign us all in. Which I quite like, because it is just in the middle of nowhere. There's like a big like golf ball thing on the top, so it's quite exciting. So I'm just gonna head off. The kilometres seem to take so long to like rack up though, because it's just been so hilly. So let's go and get that big hill on the go. Proper Audax food. That's where we're going, that's the top of it. Look how tiny it looks from here. Let's go. How you feeling? You all ready?
No.
This is the climb. Thank you for stopping up here waiting. Yay! That was a long, hard climb, and I think it's 11 out of 10 in the 100 climbs. And then Andy, who's organised, stood at the top, stamping our cards, bless him. It's so windy. Amazing climb that. Jonathan, how did you find the climb?
Quite high.
Hi.
Do you know that the record is 19 minutes?
I think it was 25.
I thought it was, even so, I did it in 1 hour 11 minutes.
It's a long one.
It is a
Well
long
done.
time. Highest road, of course. In
It is highest road in Great Britain. What about yourself?
Oh, well, I think my legs are completely shot at the moment.
You do look a little bit broken. We'll eat and then.
I'm beginning to wonder whether they're actually my legs.
They're good. And I'm just eating. Refueling,
I
drinking.
had to take some water out the fell.
Out the water, out the stream. You might not be able to hear me, but the views! Look at that view! We're at 230k, about 4,000 metres, and we are pushing. It is
Walking
so,
again.
It is so steep, some of these climbs. I can't hack it. Oh my god. Oh. It has been brutal. Absolutely brutal. I can't wait to get back now. I'm starting to feel like it's broken me. We're at the last checkpoint, so we've got about
For an hour and 20
six. How many K have we got left to do? 40? 40k?
41.
40k to do, and I'm so tempted. There's a sign there for the train station, just there, and I've kept saying all the way back I'm going to get the train back, but I'm going to sit and have something to eat and then see how I feel. We are sat at Settle Garage. How are you feeling? That's probably sums it up, doesn't it?
Yeah, drop your glasses.
Yeah, I feel exhausted, so I've got some falafel, hummus, wrap, apple juice. I really want to get the train. I can't get the train for 40k.
We won't let her.
They say no, we won't.
We won't let her.
Oh,
She can suffer as much as the rest of us.
I just want to sit on.
all downhill now.
It's not. It's not.
That last 20k was downhill.
I do like hills, but this has just been hard. Right, let me get my food. The usual saying there, like it comes to a point where it gets that bad where you cannot wait to sit on the floor at a garage and eat food. 2k to go, 2k to go, 2k to go. I had a really good second win, so I'm like pumped. I just want to finish now, so feeling good. God, I look terrible. Woohoo!
Well, really wants a glass of wine.
It is oh my god, that's bright. It is 1 AM. We've just got back. Oh, loads of people just sat. That was intense. That last part though, I did definitely got a second wind. And there were no trains. I checked and I was like, well, I'm gonna have to ride, and I actually felt loads better, so. Oh god, I'm ready for my bed. I can't even tell you how much I cannot wait to get in bed. How did you all find it?
Lovely.
Lovely. In one word, how would you describe it?
Lovely. Easy.
Giro. Hilly. Yeah. I think so too, I think so.
Because I never thought I'd ever give you one of these. It's a Super Grimper medal.
Oh.
You are a super good friend. I thought you deserved a medal.
Oh, thank you very much indeed.
Twice over now. Twice in 1 year.
That's so kind.
That is, thank you very much.
Oh, I thought it was going to be like a chocolate bar or something. Where's mine?
We only met today.
Good morning. Oh, the lens is a bit dirty. Hang on. Oh, it's still really dirty.